Waking up a child for school can sometimes be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I have got some great ideas to make it easier and more enjoyable. Welcome back to my channel and let's dive in. Creating a consistent morning routine is super important. Think of it like a little schedule that your child follows every day. They wake up at the same time, brush their teeth, get dressed, and have breakfast before heading to school. Having this routine helps their body know what to expect and making it easier to wake up in the morning. So, avoid yelling, shouting, or using any angry tone to wake up your child. Harsh methods can create a negative impact in the mornings and make them less cooperative. Another helpful tip is to use natural light. You know how when you open the curtains and the sunlight fills the room? Well, that's like the natural alarm clock for our bodies. Sunlight tells us it's time to wake up and not feel sleepy anymore. The natural light helps their body wake up naturally and can make waking up easier. Try not to use screens like phones, tablets, or TVs to wake up your child. Screen times in the morning can interfere with their natural wake up process and may lead to difficulties getting out of bed. When it's time to wake your child up, avoid sudden noises making them awake. Instead, try gentle wake up approach. Go to their room with a soft voice, call their name, and maybe give them a little hug or a back rub. It's a warm and loving way to start the day, and it helps them to wake up calmly. So avoid rushing your child through their morning routine. Give them enough time to eat their breakfast and get dressed and prepare for the day without feeling stressed or hurried. And here's a fun idea. You can create a wake up playlist with their favorite song. Play it softly in their room when it's time to wake up. Trust me, happy music can work wonders and put a smile on their face in the morning. Keep the morning routine simple and manageable. Too many tasks or responsibilities in the morning can be overwhelming for a child and may lead to resistance. One song which I use for my kids, I sing it by myself. Wake up, wake up, wake up, my child. Chickens are calling cock-a-doodle-doo. So as soon as I start singing, and they'll be like, okay, it's time for us to wake up, and they're going to wake up. And you know what gets kids excited? A yummy breakfast. Make something special that your child loves. Knowing that there is a delicious breakfast waiting for them can make them waking up much more appealing. One more thing, make mornings fun during breakfast. Have some little chats or play a quick game with your child. It adds a touch of excitement and creates positive atmosphere for the mornings. Breakfast is crucial for your child's energy and concentration during the day. Avoid skipping breakfast as it can affect their performance at school. So there you have it. Give them a try and I'm sure your mornings are going to be much smoother and happier. Do you have any funny or heartwarming wake-up stories? Do share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more parenting tips and tricks. Share this video with fellow parents and thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.